this is Chad Michel with Don't Panic Labs. I'm here today to talk to you about protecting maker schedules. What is a maker schedule, you might ask? Well, maker schedules are often compared with manager schedules. Manager schedules tend to exist where people tend to be bouncing between meetings all day long, going from meeting to meeting. With a manager schedule, it's often really easy to determine what you did during that day because you just look back at that trail of meetings. Maker schedules often exist for people that are actually producing stuff, people that need to solve hard problems. Software development falls under that category pretty obviously. You can't jump in and do 10 minutes of software development this hour and then another 10 minutes in another hour and be successful. You need large uninterrupted windows. That's what I'm talking about here. We need to do a good job of protecting that for software developers. Now, as we move to a remote work environment, it seems like it should be easy to protect that. We now have a greater barrier for that communication. We just can't walk over to someone and talk to them. But we can still be just as interruptive as we were before. And I think we need to still think about that from those developers' perspective, giving them those large 4-hour windows of uninterrupted time. We don't want every 10 minutes to be scheduling another meeting for those developers. At Don't Panic Labs, we often try to schedule a lot of our meetings right around that lunchtime. Give people a large uninterrupted amount of time in the morning and a large uninterrupted amount of time in the afternoon to actually solve hard problems. This kind of remote world we've all been kind of thrown into. I think the only way we're going to be successful is we all have to work on this together, work with the developers, find out what works best for them for scheduling meetings and providing feedback. We have to keep those lines of communication open, but we also have to protect that maker's schedule.